My work moves in and out of biological systematic musings, historical narratives, pose questions but rarely give answers, and in its attempt to think about our collective selves a little bit differently and how we situate ourselves within an environment. Running my fingertips across like the groove of a stick dropped from a tree on a walk, holding a piece of ice made from materials that are not mine, but make up the majority of my body, and watching it change against my warm palms, footsteps crunching on tiny worlds that we don't often stop to notice. We're the biggest pests on this planet, and I think about that all of the time in my work. The persistent sound of termites eating things that we make, the buzz of cicadas at summer's beginning and their silence at the seasonal end, the sound of that ice in my hands melting, a swarm of birds, the cadence of their soft floating, their wings moving and snapping against the air. Landscapes that are alive, shifting, changing, dying, regenerating around me, in me, with or without me. I think about Sagan's pale blue dot, me, an ant, you, a roach, collectively sort of growth. Constantly at odds, forever hypocritical in the way that we approach true cohabitation and understanding. My practice has always been a reinterpretation of the materials and systems that surround us, that we are a part of, that we see but we don't always hear.
Learn about glass artists and researchers in their own voice. To watch the full lecture and access hours of content at the GEEX Talks archive, subscribe at geeks.glass/support. Want a longer preview? Check out the GEEX Talks Q&A podcast for conversations featuring speakers responding to questions from the Geeks community. These episodes are publicly available on YouTube and wherever you listen to podcasts. Meet the future of glass at geeks.glass.